Morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. My name is Laika Carino, and my report is all about evaluating organizational development intervention. At the end of this chapter, the learner will be able to know how to evaluate organizational development intervention and why is it important to evaluate organizational development intervention. So in this chapter is nakafocus po sa final stage of the organizational development cycle, which is evaluation and institutionalization. So evaluation concerns sa pag-provide na feedback sa mga practitioner and sa organizational members about sa progress and sa impact ng intervention. So evaluation process consider the both implementation of the intended intervention and the long-term results. It provides the two key aspects of effective evaluation, which is measurement and research design. Evaluating organizational development interventions. In assessing the success of organization development intervention, dapat po nakaprepared yung implementation and evaluation feedback. So, yung implementation feedback, ito po yung aim to guide implementation, and then the evaluation feedback naman po, ito yung determining the impact of intervention. So, this feedback instrument should review and evaluate two phases of the changes process. That is, during the implementation and after the implementation. So, yung during implementation, ito po yung continuously gather data, collect feedback to inform adjustment and improvement. And then yung after implementation naman po, ito yung collecting the feedback on how intervention has effectively worked. So this is the different types of changes: alpha change, beta change, and gamma change. So why is it important to evaluate OD intervention? So kailangan i-evaluate ang OD intervention dahil ito po yung nakakatulong sa organization to develop and implement effective strategies. So nakapalo po dito yung analyzing the organizational current situation, identifying areas for improvement, and developing plans and action to achieve the desired outcomes. So sa process of selecting variables ay dapat po unique sa isang organization. So dapat po yung variables po na yun it should be derived and chosen from the change of framework. So one of these variables ay dapat po operationally defined, reliability, and validity. So reliability, it is the extent to which a measure represents the true value, and then the validity, it is the extent to which a measure actually measures. So there are two distinct types of organizational evaluation. One is intended to guide the implementation of intervention, and another is to assess their overall impact.